Well, seeing as how I made a proper soggy mess of my shipping box used as a pedestal, I have replaced it and brief towel dry to be sure there's not a lot of moisture still on the booter. And now we'll install our foam protective pads. Real simple peel and stick. Not a lot of high precision, but in the vicinity of the 90-degree joint where it's going to rest in your frunk. This is just a bit to protect the interior surface of the frunk itself. Should compress well under the weight of a full booter, but otherwise just a little between the rotomolded plastic and the molded front tray liner. Pretty simple stuff. And it's almost ready to go in.